Hello, good morning friends. Today I am going to explain our project. This is the final year project of MCA. My name is Kauslesh Kumar Pathak from Bheltec Technical University, Audi, Chennai. From MCA department. My guider name is Mr. K. Kumar Krishnan, assistant professor MCA department, Bheltec Technical University. So we have used the various what our project self-refresh duplicate data, with DH key agreement accessibility in hybrid cloud. So these are the abstract, which what abstract is telling that whatever you are going to file is going to upload over the cloud sector. So in that sector they will self refresh the data inside the cloud using some mechanism. That mechanism may be the time slice or the duplicate checking the data. So for this we have used the what is the existing system. Suppose that so many users are going to execute the going to insert the same file over the cloud data. So what message will come? File exists, that will be not uploaded. So in that scenario what will happen? User will not rectify the where is our file name, which file name we should give. So what our proposal is saying, and just whatever you are having the data, just whatever you are going to upload the data over the cloud computing, that will be accepted. And for the duplicacy checking, for the redundancy checking, so they will automatically refresh the data on the cloud storage. So these are our proposed system of our project. And now let us see how our mechanism is going to now let us see how our mechanism is going to execute over the private cloud as well the public cloud. So these are the file for which we have used the Eclipse for executing the project. So we have done the project in the JSP, Java and the SQL for a backend. So firstly execute this code, just go over the run as a we have taken the Apache Tomcat server for executing the program. So what they are asking, that whether you are going to execute the program of over the Eclipse on the which server. So we have already defined the Tomcat server. So as I told you that we have used the JSP. For this we need the browser. So they are telling that which browser you are going to use. So we have used the so we have used the Google Chrome browsers. Again, these are the two main activities of the project. These are telling the about us, and about us is nothing but these are the descriptions of our project. And after that they are the users from where you are just going to share the data. For sharing the data, firstly we will create the registration with the new registration. Suppose that we have our new registration is registration name I have put it here like a Kauslesh, and the email ID is kkpatha@yahoomail.com. yahoomail.com. And the password we have given like you can give anything. So our password is for this two line will confirm the password. After that we register here. After we will get the new window that will say that we have registered successfully over the cloud, over the private cloud. So these are the host machine, and this host machine is called as a private cloud. So again you go over the home button and put the user and just log in here. So what's your username? Just put your username like a Kauslesh, and the password just you give the password here, and again you log in here. So what after the login they will say that upload the file. So just we are going to upload the file. Where the file will be uploaded? The file will be uploaded on the cloud sector. So you can just choose the file, which file you want to upload it. So you choose the file. Suppose I have chosen this file 54786. Just open this file and just submit this one. So after submitting, they will say file uploaded successfully. So this file will be uploaded successfully. So what our according to our existing system, what was the problem? Suppose that again we are going to choose the same file. Again we are going to use the same file. So what message will become? File exists, so you cannot upload. But here that types of message will be not come. So what message will become here? Just see, same file we are going to see the file 4786.jpg, self refreshment of the file. So what this one is telling that whatever this file is uploaded, but in the process of the self refreshment, so that will self refresh the data, and they will just keep the only one actual file, but that will not consider the both file. So here only the insidely the self refreshment mechanism is going on. Again go to the home button and share this file from where you want to share. Suppose that I want to share this file on the particular node. So this node is Arun, and just I am going to just share. See here what I told you, just take, they will take only one file. So they will self refreshed inside the cloud, and they have just generated only one files. These are the actual file. So just you click over this and submit this files. So that file is just shared. So file is just shared, but we have to access this using the public cloud. So for accessing the public cloud, what we have to do? Just firstly log out from here, and for now we have uploaded the file into the private cloud, and just we are going to access the file using the public cloud. So for public cloud accessment, we have used the virtual machine. So that will be that will called as a guest machine, and that will called as a public cloud. So let us start firstly the public. Let us start firstly the use the cloud.
So for this we use the firstly we open the Internet Explorer, or we can open any browser. Just we have to link up the file. For linking the file, we have just taken the IP address of the host machine. So we have just given the IP address of the host machine. Again same page will be open. Same page will be open on the virtual machine. So after that, for opening the virtual machine, what we have to do? Just see here, the same screen is opened here on the screen whatever opened on the host machine. So just again here go to the login user sector and go through the login. So we have shared, by which we have shared the file to Arun node. So give the password and the user ID of particular Arun node. So just log in here. Just log in here. After the suppose we have given here the invalid username and the password. So these are the validation. So again you just put the password. I think password is the wrong here. So again put the password and just see. Now password is the correct. Now we are in the public cloud sector. So what we are going to just do? Just we are going to use the shared folder or file whatever we have shared using the private cloud. So just go through the download button, that will show how many files are shared here. So now we have shared one file called 54786.jpg using the 123 using the 123 user shared from user ID. So by which 123 shared ID, I have shared one file 54786, and the 41025 4105 is the nothing but it is the access token key by which we are going to access the file. So for this, just click over that file, click over this file. I am clicking over this file. So what will happen? They will say that whether you are going to open the file or just you are going to save the file. So we just here we are accessing the file. Just click over the open. This file will be open. So there are some terms and conditions are telling. So just click over the OK.
after that wait some time, this file will be open. So this file I have shared, and this file have been accessed from the public cloud. So these are the project which I have done in the final year MCA. And now close this one. Now close the VMware, close the VMware, and just see whether your file is accessed or not. So we have accessed the same file whatever we have shared using the private cloud. Same thing we are accessed by the public cloud. So now it's fulfillment the criteria of our project, the hybrid cloud accessment of self refreshment of the data. Now it's our project, and that is the over, and by which we can access the data. Thank you for listener. Thank you everyone. Thank you.